If ever I had a video, would you dance in it? Would you dance in it, in it? Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. They said that you loved me all along. Now I see.
Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Thank you so much for being here. It is Tuesday, which means you are cooking with Forrest Brown as always. It is my pleasure to introduce you some beautiful dishes from my home to yours or from my work, wherever I'm at, every Tuesday. For those who are new, welcome. Thanks so much for being here. I give credit even for a split second of you watching my videos. It means a lot to me. Hope everyone is doing good. What do I have in mind? What did I make yesterday that's easy and inexpensive and explosive in your mouth, as well as my previous dishes? Basically, I made pollo, Savanas de pollo. For those who don't know what it is, literally I made that name up. I couldn't figure out what to call this dish, but think of it like a chicken parmesan, but with a twist. This particular case, the sauce is made by me with a lot of beautiful ingredients, garlics and chili flakes and oregano, basil, tomatoes, your traditional Italian seasonings. And then the chicken breast is basically floured, pan-seared, not fully cooked. And then we top it with some grilled zucchini and some slices of cheese. And then we kind of bake everything together in the same pan with the sauce. And then and we're gonna plate it over a little bed of mashed potatoes. For those who don't know how to make mashed potatoes, it's very easy. Just boil the potatoes, peel the potatoes, boil the potatoes, throw in some butter, some milk, salt, pepper, and there you have it. There's your mashed potatoes. But anyways, apart from that, this dish is very easy, very quick to make, and delicious. Think of it as an open face chicken parmesan breast. Okay? Savanas in Mexico, traditionally, Savanas de res is basically a skirt steak that's pan-seared, and then you top it off with beans, with cheese and salsa, and then you finish it off in the oven. This chicken breast is layered exactly the same, but obviously no beans and no salsa. It's layered with grilled zucchinis and cheese, like I said. You top it off with beautiful, like a tomato sauce that I made. And then you finish it off with some parsley and fresh thyme. Anyways, thanks so much for being here. I am very excited to share this recipe and any future recipes and past recipes with you. Think of me as your virtual chef, as your personal chef. Anyways, take care. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye-bye. Stay safe, sane, and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ciao. Au revoir. Adios. Sayonara. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using. I have 3 chicken fillets, some flour, and of course chili flakes, oregano, garlic, parsley, salt and pepper, and oil, olive oil or canola oil, whatever you have, and a mild white cheese, fontina, or any kind of cheese that you wish. For the sauce, 2 tomatoes, basil, fresh thyme, zucchini, tomatoes. And of course, let's not forget to season our chicken breast and eventually flour them. So you have a hot pan. We're gonna dump in our oil and then incorporate the chicken breasts just to get a nice sear on them. Not to fully cook them, just to give it a little color. And then we're gonna set it on the side. In the same pan, we're gonna be cooking our sauce. I did forget to mention in our ingredients that I also have about 3 ounces of tomato sauce. So just a minute or two. Just a roughly diced and also sliced tomatoes. The dice is basically going to go on the sauce. The sliced tomato is going to go on top of the chicken breast. Now with our zucchini, just some relatively thin julienne strips. Eventually this will be grilled and also topped over the chicken breast. So we throw in our tomatoes. Now we're throwing in our basil. Garlic, of course. Pinch of chili flakes, some dry oregano, some salt, parsley, do a little shaky. In goes our tomato sauce and about 1/4 cup of H2O. Some pepper and salt. And in goes our chicken breasts. We're gonna leave them in there for about 10 minutes or so, about 5 minutes on each side. While that's cooking, we're just gonna grill our zucchini. No oil, just salt and pepper. So a slice of tomato per breast. Salt and pepper. We want to make sure we season absolutely every ingredient that it's in this dish or in any other of my dishes. Everything has to be seasoned. Now we're going to top it off with our zucchini, eventually the cheese, and the rest of the herbs. So now just about a few ounces of mashed potato into the center of a white plate. You know that I'm fond of white plates. Clean hands, of course. You always want to make sure you clean your hands. And enjoy. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. I had a blast cooking with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Video. I will see you next Tuesday for another show. Take care. Peace in your hood. Bye.